Hello, in this video we're gonna open this PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. According to the customer, this button doesn't work, so we have to open it. I already ordered some buttons, so we're gonna check and see whether they are compatible or not. So let's start. Now, the old models, they used to have screws on the handles, so when you remove the screws you can disassemble the whole controller, but on the new ones the screws are under the plastic, the black plastic, so right now we have to remove it. Use something sharp, it's on clips, so like this. Now we have two screws on each side, we're gonna remove them. Now the other two screws are under the button here, so we have to take out these two buttons. Now we have to use something plastic again, just lift it. Let's see. Yep, one is out. And now we have to remove the other one, like this. Those are the other two screws here. Now we have to separate we have two plastic clips on this side, which we have to remove also. And now, yeah, the back cover is coming out. Now the first thing, of course, we have to take out the battery, like this. Now we have to remove the battery casing, because we're gonna remove the board also. We have to disconnect this cable. Now in order to remove the board, we have to disconnect these two cables, the ones for the buttons, and we have to desolder the two motors which are doing the vibration. Just pull the cables out, and this one you have to be careful, like this. Now comes the next one, like this. And now we need the soldering iron to desolder the cables. It's not hot enough. Now let's see, can we pull the board out? We have plastic clips here, just push them gently, and that's the board. Now, yeah, this button doesn't work. Let's see what I have. Yeah, pretty much the same.